How to mute posts on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, go to the profile that you want to mute posts from. Say for example this one. Once you're here, click on the following drop down next to the message option, and from the menu list at the bottom, click on the mute option. You will see posts right here with a toggle next to it that's turned off, so click on it. And once you turn on this toggle, it means that posts from this profile will be muted from now on. So that was it for this video. That's how you can mute posts on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.